We run brick build machine efficient, accurate and easy to use building tools. Product overview. Brick build mesh machine is an advanced automatic welding machinery and equipment designed for the construction industry. Can efficiently and accurately complete the brick link combination, computer technology, mechanical technology and building material technology with its humanized operation, high precision process and excellent performance. Become the modern construction industry's right-hand man. Second, product characteristics. Efficient construction. The brick build mesh machine can quickly lay bricks in fast links, greatly improve the construction quality and increase the overall solid quality. High accuracy. The automatic control system of the machine ensures the accurate size of the brick build network and avoids errors caused by human factors. 3. Humanized design. Simple operation, easy to learn, greatly reducing the dependence on skilled workers. 4. Material adaptability. Brick mesh machine is suitable for various types of brick wall, can change the width, size, has good adaptability. 5. Durability and maintenance. High-quality materials and sophisticated technology ensure the long life of the equipment, and simple daily maintenance also reduces operating costs. 3. Scope of application. The machine is suitable for various types of construction projects, including residential, commercial, industrial, and public facilities. Whether it is exterior wall decoration or interior floor laying, it provides accurate and efficient construction solutions. 4. How to buy. If you are interested in brick mesh machine, or have any related questions and suggestions, please feel free to contact us. We provide comprehensive technical support and after-sales service to ensure that you can make the most of this efficient construction tool. Let us meet the future of the construction industry. Brick build mesh machine for your construction projects to bring higher efficiency and better quality.